Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor from Carepatron, and I'm here to help walk you through the Leaves on a Stream worksheet. What is a Leaves on a Stream worksheet? Leaves on a Stream is designed to help individuals explore their emotions and thoughts to work towards positive mental health. It involves writing down any thoughts or feelings when observing the movement of leaves in water, which enables greater connections between our external environment and internal experience. While the individuals observe the leaves as they move downstream, they will note any feelings or thoughts that arise. They can record their experiences and reflections so that they can review them later, which can help in identifying patterns or themes within the feelings, which is useful when thinking about making positive changes. Identify areas of personal growth as well as potential triggers and keep track of progress over time. Develop a greater understanding between emotions and behaviour. Stimulate creative thinking and problem solving whilst exploring different perspectives on a situation. As a result, the worksheet is typically administered by therapists, counsellors, psychologists, and more. Here's how to use a Leaves on a Stream worksheet. The first step is to input the name and date and then read the instructions. The client will then need to list their thoughts and observations while observing the leaves. Finally, incorporate the results within treatment for more effective interventions. Choose a sample worksheet of the Leaves on a Stream. Visit carepatron.com where you can download and access the worksheet for free. You can also access the worksheet through the Carepatron community platform. Type in the keywords, find the note you would like, and edit however you wish. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare related videos.